In this lecture, you are going to see keyword in domain name. Before entering into the analyzation or interpretation of keyword in domain name, you should know two important terms, that is EMD and PMD. What is EMD? EMD is exact match domain. For example, if you search in Google for the term diapers, then diapers.com would be the exact match domain. EMD can be a single word like insurance.com or a phrase such as reputationrepair.com. So, what is PMD then? PMD is partial match domain. Let's have an example for partial match domain. Here, the keyword is pay and the domain name is allpay, where pay is half of the domain name. Since it's partially matching with the keyword, it's called partial match domain. Let's come back to keyword in domain name research data. Here is the research of 10,000 keywords with exact match domain. This transparent orange line represents 2014 and this thick orange line represents 2015. As you already know, the x-axis in this graph represents ranking of search result in Google search engine, whereas the y-axis represents the percentage of keyword in domain name. As usual, let's skip the first search result and let's analyze from the second one to the 30th one. In 2014, only 8% of the search results have got the keyword in their domain name, whereas in 2015, this percentage has got reduced considerably to 5 to 6%. Since the correlation factor is minus 2%, a domain with a keyword in it gives lower ranking compared to the ones which don't have keyword in their domain name. So, what you can infer from this research? Before coming to a conclusion, read this tweet from Matt Kurtz from Google. He had tweeted in 2012 about a Google algo change. It's nothing but an algorithm change which will reduce the low quality exact match domains in search results. Here is a graph of the immediate effect after that Google algo change. The exact match domain post, which was in the first search result, was moved to 11th position, and the post with exact match domain in around 12th to 30th position was moved to 41. And you can see the rest in this image itself. High position study indicated that average EMD ranking went from number 13.4 to number 26.6, and the average top 10 exact match domain went from number 3.2 to number 12. Here you can see the graph of PMD influence, where the x-axis represents the date. This is April 4 and here is August 22. These dates are in the year 2012. In April 4, 5.5% of search results were influenced by partial match domains, which has got reduced considerably in August 22 to just 4%. And year by year, this influence has got reduced considerably. So, what is the final outcome of this research? If you are going to buy a new domain, don't look for the keyword in your domain name. Instead of giving a search ranking boost, it will push you behind in the search results. So instead of searching for a domain with keyword, build some new brand and attain higher domain SEO visibility or authority, which we saw in the previous lecture. In the next lecture, let's see the importance of HTTPS or Secured HTTP Protocol.